Hi, thank you for joining me today. I'm Linda Lamp, and today I'm here to talk to you about We Love Us. What is We Love Us? So We Love Us is a structure of 8 intentions or directives that together form an acronym. The first letter of each of the lines of the intentions forms the acronym that spells We Love Us. We Love Us is the answer to a question that I was praying and meditating about for a long time. I started in 2010 with a question: how do we create a world that works for everyone? And that was my question that I used in meditation and in prayer for years. And slowly, over time, I started to receive a message. And that message came in pieces. It was a little confusing. It took a long time to really understand what the message was. And the answer is to the question, how do we create a world that works for everyone? The answer is, we love us. And if you think about it, it's really quite a straightforward answer, because right now we're not loving us, not as a society, not as a humanity. We may love us individually. We may have individual people we love, but we are not loving humanity. We are not loving the species. And we are not loving many individuals. Lots and lots of people spend a lot of time yelling at the television lately. So that's not being in a place of love. That's being in a place of resistance, of denial, of all kinds of things, but it's not a place of love. So coming back to the question, how do we create a world that works for everyone? We love us. And we love us is actually, as I said, the 8 steps or intentions, directives. And they will create a world of peace and joy overnight if we were to embrace them. The first line, or the first intention, is weave a fabric of unity and peace. So set out every day to weave a fabric of unity and peace. Take each opportunity that you have where you see disunity and work towards creating unity from it. And peace. There's very little peace in the world. But if we were to go about our day looking for ways to make our days more peaceful, our days would become more peaceful fairly quickly. The second line is embrace Earth as irreplaceable and embrace all life with respect. Seems pretty straightforward, but we don't do it. What the sheltering in place or hunkering down is providing the world at the moment is an experience of fresh air, among other things. And so when we come back and we look at this particular step or intention, embrace Earth as irreplaceable and all life with respect, all of a sudden we're seeing our planet in a way we haven't seen it in quite a while, because industry is shut down at the moment. So maybe as we come out of this, we'll have a new respect for fresh air, and maybe it will be more important. Fresh air and fresh water might become more important to us. That's certainly what this intention is meant to speak to. Things like fresh air and fresh water for everyone. And I want to just take a side note and say that the part that says embrace all life with respect, there is absolutely nothing about pro-choice or pro-life in this conversation. We Love Us is completely outside of the realm of those discussions. Has nothing to do with that. The next letter in the phrase, we love us, is L, and the intention is love and forgive everyone unconditionally. And this really comes back to the spirituality that we've lost over time. We are all individual aspects of divinity and form, each and every one of us. And yet we're pretty caught up in judging each other. And so we've really lost our way when we talk about forgiveness and love. We don't know what those words mean at this point, for the most part, as a society. And so that's what we need to work towards, is everybody's worthy, everybody. And yet we have a lot of religions and we have a lot of politics that teach us otherwise. So this is about coming back into wholeness. This is about coming back into what's real, what's truly real about existence. So the next step is open, honest, truthful, and transparent are your creed. That's pretty straightforward. The next one is V, volunteer and serve others. We're not actually here for ourselves. We're here in individuated form to be in community and to help others. And so it amazes me how many people in their daily lives have zero volunteering in their day or in their week or in their month or their year. And I'm not talking about charity or writing checks. I'm talking about volunteering, actually walking into some place and doing something for someone else. It's one of the best ways to get in touch with who we really are, because we get so caught up in our own problems. We think we're so important. But when we're helping somebody else is when we're the most important, not when we're helping ourselves. So that's the next step. So the E is ensure everyone gets a voice and vote, right? It seems pretty straightforward. I don't think it needs any explanation. The next is the U, for us, unite the divided with infinite love. And that seems pretty straightforward too, but in order to do that, we have to be able to realize that we are all one. And that's why uniting the divided with infinite love is so important, because we are all one. And we need to come back into a knowledge of that and into a practice of that. And we're not there. We're not there anywhere close. And then the last intention or step is solve our problems together in harmony. So we love us. Weave a fabric of unity and peace. Embrace Earth as irreplaceable and all life with respect. Love and forgive everyone unconditionally. Open, honest, truthful, and transparent are you. Volunteer and serve others. Ensure everyone gets a voice and vote. Unite the divided with infinite love and solve our problems together in harmony. If it's not clear, it's clear to me. If we were to all adopt these 8 steps and live by them, the world overnight would become peaceful and joyous. So I have these beautiful little business card size cards. On the back are the 8 intentions, and on the front it says, we love us. How do we create a world that works for everyone? We love us. Live by these 8 simple intentions and you will create a loving world that works for everyone, survives, and thrives. That's what we really want, right? The time has come. We must all act now with love and compassion from our hearts. And then it has my website and my phone number. So if you would like to send a self-addressed stamped envelope to We Love Us, care of P.O. Box 1741, Seward, AK, which is Alaska, 99664. I will put, while supplies last, 5 of these in an envelope to you and mail them to you, back to you. And you can tape them on your monitor, you can tape them on your mirror, you can put them on your dashboard to remind you that the way we create a world that works for everyone is we love us. So let me go how that goes. I can tell you that the city of Seward, Alaska is a We Love Us community. A number of years ago, I presented We Love Us to the community council, to the city council, and the mayor at the time and the city council passed a proclamation declaring themselves a We Love Us community. So if you'd like help with resources in approaching your community to ask them to become a We Love Us community, I am here to help you. You may text me at 907-351-3003. I do not carry that device with me at all times, but I do respond to all messages. So you will hear back from me. It might not just be instantly. So as the days ahead are coming, and we're looking forward to whatever the new world is that we're going to create, let's use We Love Us as a part of that framework, and we will do it so much more quickly. Thank you for joining me today. Reach out, message me. I want to hear from you. Namaste and much love.